Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials: money, a save, and a plan. Make sure you've unlocked the city area where your preferred stores sit. Once done, check the map for Binko, Suburban, Zip, or Victim. Each sells different styles and prices. Go to one now. Walk into the shop and approach the counter. The game will prompt you to change clothes. Do that immediately so you can see available items and prices without wasting time. Inside the shop, you'll use the outfit menu. Move through categories like tops, pants, shoes, hats, and accessories. Select items to try them on. The preview helps you decide without spending. Keep an eye on price tags. Some outfits are cheap, others cost hundreds. Once you like a piece, confirm purchase. The game deducts cash immediately. If you want a full look, build it piece by piece to control cost, then buy the complete set when satisfied. After buying, first save your game so the new threads remain permanent. Make sure the outfit appears on your character in the street. Sometimes items need re-equipping from the wardrobe in safe houses. If purchases don't show, re-enter the store and check the purchase history, then manually equip pieces. If you still see glitches, reload your last save or restart the game. That usually clears inventory display bugs. One key tip: always keep a backup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.